Fixing minimum radius violation in horizontal curves. In this lesson, we will focus on one of the most common alignment problems, minimum radius violation in horizontal curves. Horizontal curves are one of the most critical parts of road design. Every curve must respect the minimum radius allowed by selected design standard, such as AASHTO. When a curve radius is too small, the road becomes unsafe because vehicles would require excessive super elevation or speed reduction to navigate the curve. In Civil 3D, when we apply design criteria checks, the software automatically compares our curve radius against the chosen standard. If the radius is too small, a warning symbol appears in the alignment grid view. The message will read something like radius is below minimum allowed value. This violation usually happens in two cases. When we insert a curve with radius smaller than the standard requires. Two, when we apply a fillet curve between two tangents that is too sharp. Now, let's look at how to fix this. Shown in this example, select this alignment and alignment properties. The design speed for this alignment 70 km per hour. As soon as we apply AASHTO 2018 criteria with a design speed of 70 km per hour, Civil 3D check each curve in our alignment. Okay? Here you can see a warning icon next to our first horizontal curve. When I hover the mouse, the software tells us radius is below minimum allowed value. This curve was created with radius of 150 meters according to AASHTO 2018 for 70 km per hour design speed. The minimum saved radius is around 203 meters, assuming maximum super elevation and side friction factors. Because our curve is too sharp, the software alerts us immediately. This violation is not just a technical detail. A curve with too small radius forces vehicles to slow down dramatically or requires excessive super elevation, which may not be safe or uncomfortable for drivers. That is why AASHTO sets these minimum values and why Civil 3D enforces them automatically. Fixing the violation. Let's fix this step by step. First, I open the sub-entity from the grid view, select the alignment, then geometry editor, choose alignment grid view. In the radius column, we can see the current value 150 meters. The warning icon shows that it doesn't meet the minimum requirement. From here, the minimum radius violation radius 150 meters should be greater than or equal to 203 meters. Now I will increase the radius from 150 meter to 203 meter. Enter. Immediately, the warning disappears. Civil 3D confirms that this new radius meets the minimum required for 70 km per hour according to AASHTO 2018. Close. Notice how the curve now looks wider and smoother. The alignment geometry has adjusted to fit the larger radius. The solution not only removes the software warning but also ensures our design is safe, comfortable, and compliant with roadway design standards. Thank you for watching. See you in next lesson.